Let's talk about sequencing using operation research. We'll try to learn about how and why, and in this video I'll be solving some questions and you will understand. If you don't, try to ask some question in the comments. I'll be answering all of them. So let's get started, shall we? The first question, we have n jobs, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, and one machine is being used, and in this we have to find using SPT. SPT is short processing time, and first we have to make it like an increasing order, ascending order of all the processing time, rearrange them and find the flow time. Flow time starts from 0 and plus adding all the values, and process inventory. Process inventory is how many processes are there? 6. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next, mean flow time, that is adding all the flow time divided by the 6, that is mean process inventory, that is we have to multiply the process time into inventory divided by adding all the summation of process time. After you get that, then you have 3 jobs. Now we have another question here which says that there are 8 jobs and there are 3 ways of solving this: SPT, WSPT and EDD. EDD is earliest due date, WSPT is weighted shortest processing time, weighted. So this is something, 2 are different. Other SPT just we solved. Now again we have to processing time should be arranged in a way of increasing order. After that we need to keep the due time the same, due time, flow time, and then process inventory, that is 8 here, so 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that, lateness, this is something new this time, that is difference of flow time minus due date. We get values in negative. Those values which we get in negative is the number of job actually that is late in terms of SPT. When it is negative in case of EDD and WSTP, that should not be considered. You should consider positive ones, and that is the lateness value, number of job actually that is late. Now next we have mean flow time, same thing. The ones we find the flow time, process inventory and lateness, using that only we actually make sure we solve the problem. And then maximum lateness is here, it is plus 22 minutes. EDD is, it's almost similar. Here the process time is being process time EDD, that is the due date is being arranged in ascending order, and then it's the same thing going in WSPT. This has first to be divided time, process time divided by impedance weight. After you found out STP and WSTP EDD, main difference is here in STP you arrange the process time, and WSTP, after you find DI by WI, then you arrange the weighted, and then in EDD you arrange the due date and then find the problem, solve the problem. In this we have to also find the weighted mean value, and the next question we will be solving by 2 types of operation, printing and binding. We need to find the total elapsed time, in which first we need to keep both of them, segregate them in ascending order, that is here 15, it is the 6th job, 20 is the next, that is also in printing, so left side, that is 1, first job. 4 is 20 again, so it is 4 Next we need to check the next one, that is 7 or fifth job, which has first, after you finish this till 20, the next one, least one is 50 here. Then we have to keep that in the last side of the binding side, and next is 60, that is also in binding side, so right hand side. And third job, which is 75, the right hand side, that is also binding. Fifth job, we have to keep striking out like the lines have been shown, and after that you have to arrange them in and out. That is, in is job from 6, 1, 4, 5, 3 to 7, then in is 0, 15, 0, 0 plus 15, 15. In of binding is, that is out of printing, and out we have to compare after you made it, so that which is more will be kept in, that is out of printing and out of binding of previous one. Here it is 50 and 35, the 50 is more than 35, so we choose 50 for the in of binding time. After you have done it, we need to write the total elapsed time and ideal time for printing, that is the summation of, that is 460 or minus the summation of printing, we'll find out that is 50 hours. Next question, here with the graphical method we need to show the job 1 and job 2, that is I'll be showing this by using a graph. First we need to find out the process time of job 1, job 2. Job 1 here is 17, job 2 20. So with respect to that, mark vertical and horizontal axis and then draw a graph. If the horizontal line comes up, that is job 2 and vertical for job 1. Here it's 5 for vertical and horizontal is 2. Next question is also similar. I'll show you the graph. It's like this. In here there is no horizontal, whereas vertical is 3. And the next question is also same, which has horizontal 3, that is 30, and vertical also 30. So not 30, it's 20. Vertical 20. And this is all about operation research and using, this is a Johnson way of finding the problem, solving it.